Yes, sir. Here we go. Whew. And it got off. Smalley. Got it, I think, as long as I get him hooked up. Oh goodness, that's a good fish. This is a good fish. Oh wow, good fish, good fish. Oh my goodness, this is definitely a good fish. Please let me land this fish. Come here, big dude, come here, come here. Hang on, you got a mouth full of... Hang on. You may be my PB creek bass for the moment. Woo! Yes, sir. Here we go. Woo! He was nice. I gotta find my bait. Woo! Yeah. I don't know. I need to look this up. I don't know if that's a spotted or just a largemouth. I think it's a largemouth. Let me see how big he is. 16. Let's get out here and let him go. Big old boy. Pretty. Whew. Thank you, Lord. I have been struggling all day long. You know, and I almost didn't come down here. I didn't know how deep this corner was. I had to get out a little deeper than I wanted, but man, it paid off. I'm glad I made it. Wow. See if we can't get another one. I feel pretty good about this spot. Let me see. Oh goodness. Oh, that was a good one. Oh my gosh, that was a good fish. I set the hook too soon. That was a good fish. Oh my gosh. That is 3 I've lost today. I got him hooked. Pretty good one. Oh my gosh! Ah, Trey, what is going on? Oh my gosh! 5. That's 5 that I've lost. It's like the bigger bait entices them, but I just keep losing them. Oh my gosh. I'm not believing this. I think that was a pretty decent small one. Maybe about 13, maybe 14. Oh my gosh. There you go. I knew it. Okay, you gotta look at my finger. Zzz. Zzz. Okay, get their attention. Come here. Come here. There you go. Little guy. Ow! Little guy, but that's my first smallie today. I got a smallie and one largemouth. Using this bigger bait, I can kind of see where people have to really set the hooks a lot harder, because I guess you're having to get that bait slid back to where it exposes the hook. So let's see here. I'd like there to be a bigger one in there. I can't believe I lost that big one, whatever that was back there. And that was a strong fish. All right, let's see. Let's get this. Push through there. Let's get it looking good. Looking good. All right. Try to get another one. Well, fishing family, hey, today it was slow, but hey, I still caught my PB largemouth for this season, creek or lake. It was 16 inches. I'm excited about that. This is a new section of this creek. I have fished this creek in Liberty before, but further up. This is kind of getting back on the shallower side. But hey, beautiful scenery. I love the town. It's very cool, very quaint. Hey, till next time, grab your poles, call me buddies. Get to make some memories. Give me some of the elbow. I love you guys. Hey, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, and I've got a great episode coming up with another YouTuber and a great friend. We're gonna try to do a bucket list video for my buddies. Never caught a smallmouth ever before. If you've ever heard me mention Mark, you know who I'm talking about. We'll see you really soon. Thanks, guys. Be safe.